papalitan yun. Hi girls! This is your office. Your office door. We have the microwave. Same exactly sa Orlando, anak.
So sis, ayan, nag-arrive kami ng late na. So, we ordered food. Ano to? Wings. Anong, it's not the Buffalo Wild Wings. So, it's a Wingstop. What did you order? Fine. French fries. Oh, nice. Are there also, may sabang. Ang sarap. Walang rice?
Honey hot.
Ayan. Ito yung tira namin dalawa lagi pagka-birthday ko. Wow! Parang sakit. Yeah, girl. Oh, lunch. Come on. Hindi na nakatiis. You know, din sa amin. What's that? Kain muna kami. What time na ba? It's past 12 na ito guys sa Chicago. So, this is the only restaurants na open. Tignan mo, tignan na. Over this, parmesan. Honey pa to? Honey parmesan. And their fries are good. Ang sarap. Real potato. Sarap. Kaya mo na kami guys. Guys, isi-share ko lang. Sobrang the best chicken ever I had. Sobrang sarap. Dito ka lang pala matatagpuan sa Chicago. Yan, sa Wingstop. And since Chicago is the parang dito ata nagsimula tong Wingstop, no, anak, no? Dito originated ang Wingstop. Ang sarap! Saan ba? Basta in the US. The best thing, guys, hindi ko na-expect sa ganitong oras at 12 midnight na makakakuha kami ng super fresh, super hot, as in new cook na chicken. Super sarap, no? Ang tahimik namin sa naubos namin yung tag 10 kami. Pero still, may 3 pa ako. May 3 ka din, 3 din sa'yo. Naka 7 kami. Pero walang kwento-kwentuhan. Straight. There. Eto, hindi ko alam. Grabe yung fries nila. Ang sarap din. Walang tulak kabigin. Kanina nagpipick pa kami. It's either Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings. So you wanna try the Wingstop? Oo pala sa LA. And sa Toronto? You do have this? Yun lang, i-share ko lang para pag nagpunta kayo ng Chicago guys or anywhere in the US na Wingstop, the best. The best, I swear. Yan, tinatapos ko pa guys. Tatapusin ko talaga to. Ang sarap. Promise, walang halong keme. What time na ba? Mag-aalauna na kumakain pa ako guys. So yun lang guys. Yeah, it's my birthday kaya ano kami dito? Dinner, midnight snack. Midnight snack, manok. So, yun lang guys. Ay, mamaya. Tomorrow guys, marami tayong mga i-vlog. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga pwedeng ganap at pwedeng gawin dito sa Chicago. Kasi it's my first time here in Chicago. Dahil parang each year na nagta-travel kami, I make sure na puntahan ko yung mga places. Syempre na hindi ko naman dating napuntahan, di ba? So, this time, yun lang yung goal ko. Hindi ko na kailangan maghanda. Ayoko nang bumili ng mga luxury items or luxury things para sa sarili ko. Gala na lang kami ng anak ko. So, alternate yan. Since hindi kasi namin parang ganda nung iwan yung mga babies. Dami mga fur babies like Saskia and Wolf. Yan, so naggagala kami. So if it's either si Ate Sam or si Daddy ang kasama ko, alternate. Ang gastos pero ganun talaga guys. Hindi namin kayang iwanan ng mga babies. Ayun, tomorrow na mag-breakfast naman tayo kasi share ko sa inyo dito sa Fairfield by Marriott ang aming hotel. Ayun lang. Kakain muna ako ng bonggang ang sarap talaga. You can hear guys, lamig na pero nag-ano pa sila. May ice skates dito sa gitna ng center.
Please try the chicken parm for dinner. Of course. And it comes with meat sauce. It's like pork and beef. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. And then will we also just try the Rudy Special, which is the small size for the deep dish?
My God guys, umorder ako ng make pizza dito. Ay, ng make my own pasta. Pang 2 persons ata to. And this one the best. We love Italian food.
It's so fresh.
Can you squeeze that lemon please?
Just on your...
There's one here, so.
So for tonight's video naman guys, puro food yung hack namin guys. Kasi mga dinadayo namin dito sa US. So dami ng flavor. It's from Trader Joe's. Our super favorite na snacking. Ayan. Very good thing with this now. Dati nakain natin ng vanilla or cookies. Di ba? Yung ilalim na guys. Sabi natin sa meron daw. Chocolate. Chocolate yung nakailalim niya. Kahapon guys, na-hybrid ako sa kagain ko. Super Sarap ako chicken. Yung gabi na, doon ko naramdam. Namamanid yung left ko, guys. Kaya huwag kayo susobra sa manok. Ewan ko, more than 10 ako. Kaya, ayun, girls. Kaya nakatulog. Para akong, hindi ko ma-stroke. Diyos ko, God, no way. Pero sobrahan talaga ako feeling ko kasi syempre maraming skin yun, di ba? Ito nga, yan, kain pa more, sabi niya. Ngayon, sweet naman tayo. Pero after namin, kumain na kami ng dinner namin from Trader Joe's din na, ano to na? Parang mixed rice, chicken and rice. Then, yung kanilang orange chicken, ang sarap din. Parang Panda Express. Ang super mura lang niya, di ba? Kasi we tried na, try nga natin doon kasi super, sa trending sa TikTok. Walang tapon talaga pag Trader Joe's, grabe. Sarap. Yun lang, na-share ko lang. We found it here in Chicago. We have the Super Puff for the pets.
No, the super rough puff.
Oh my God, can I see? Oh! Rough puff talaga. Oh my God, guys. Hindi ako makabili nung akin. Since I have naman already. Pero that's good for Kuya. Is it the biggest?
Yeah, because when he gets his fur again.
Oh, ito for Saskia. Kuya's gonna wear pink.
It's mugfish.
Ang cute naman ito.
Yeah, this one is the biggest.
Guys, napaka-perfect time. It's a Thanksgiving Day. Lahat sarado.
I'm so thankful sa lahat ng store na nag-close.
Pero sobrang nilang devoted
Sa holiday
sa holiday season nila. So, sobrang...
Sarado talaga lahat, guys. Pero, ang gastusin is hindi. Open ang Aritzia.
Adisa kasi that's newly open ngayon. Soft lunch nila today. So, nakabili kami ng something. Yan, ito guys yung Ang dami pa rin tao, in fairness. So, ayan. And yung lamig nito guys, parang nasa Canada din. But the thing wala lang yun. Pero yung lamig. Nakakashock yung lamig guys. Naloka ako sa lamig na to. Parang hindi ako nakapil ng ganito yung parang matatagal yung tenga ko. Wala pa naman akong dalang jacket talaga. Oh my God! Oh, I'm not gonna go here.
No, we are.
Let's go. Nangyayari kami guys. Sobrang lamig. malamig. Mas pili na namin natiis. Kasi na lang. May dunking kami na daanan. Napagkapi-kapi kami. At isang biga rin natin ito. Super barbarian na rin. On the spot. Nakakamiss din kasi talaga. No? Wala nito sa atin. Saantay kami ng Uber namin. Mamaya-maya. Pero parang balak namin lakarin na lang. Kung kaya ng aming body.
어딜 가나?
Hello, hello.
Biggest Starbucks in the world.
That's so good.
What's that?
Pretty, right?
뭐야? 이거 사자고 있어.
On the other side. Ito, Chicago with you. Chicago with you. Yeah, that one. Reserve, diba? I wanted the one with reserve. So guys, ito na naman kami. It's our 4th day today.
Yes, guys.
Ayan.
Crazy.
Guys, hindi siya nag-yellow like Calgary. But look.
But look at everyone, bro. It's
Yeah,
giving brown.
everyone is wearing jacket. It's like para rin kami nasa Canada. But the good is walang walang snow. Pero freezing pa rin
But
siya.
earlier it was snowing.
Yan, guys, ang daming tao. Which is, it's a Black Friday here as well. Ayan. Nakakatuwa lang, guys. Pero grabe. Grabe ngayon sa Calgary, guys. Medyo nakalayo-layo tayo sa matinding weather. Pero matinding wind naman dito. Oh my god! Look at this, guys. Okay.
Wait, do you see that?
I want to buy the Cry Baby.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, we still can't move on ngayon sa sobrang lang dito. Pero grabe.
Libre pack dito. Kahit si Mommy.
Pero grabe, amazed ako dito sa sa road. Ang ingay ng mga kasada dito, guys. Walang bigayan.
Ano na
Grabe. The traffic is super.
guys,
70%.
like, konting traffic, they're like, beep! They don't want to
Ang
stop.
sagana nila sa ano dito, busina. Ang gano'n sila kagulo sa road.
Like, you make your own lane here, I guess.
Ayan, everyone.
Go.
Pero good thing naman yung tawid-tawid, sumusunod na.
Yeah.
Pero yung car nasa tabi mo na. Yeah, so naghahanap pa kami ng mga mabibili namin dito, guys. But basically, lahat ng meron tayo sa Canada, meron sila, di ba? Syempre. Yun lang yung prices difference, USD. But their Black Friday sale is not really like super low. Ayan, dami rin nila dito sa JD. Kabibili ko lang kay daddy ng Onitsuka. Do you know that?
What happened?
He got one again.
Really?
As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. In the event of turbulence, the flight attendants may need to be seated. We apologize if this interrupts our service. Use caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted. Please keep the aisle and galley areas clear. There are 2 lavatories.
Baby! Kuya! Kuya! Stop jumping! Baby! Come here! Go down, go down! Wow!